Creating a menu item that's a category list. In this lesson, we'll review how to create a category list menu item, the different parameters that you can set for it, and then we'll compare the category list to a category block view. To begin, we're going to go on to the Administrator panel and go to Menu Manager. We're going to add a new menu item to the About Joomla menu. To create the new one, we're going to just click on New. First thing you do is click on the Select on the top. And first we're going to show the category list type. This will list all articles in a specific category. We want to list all exhibits for the aquarium. So the menu title will be Exhibits. On the right-hand side is where we select what category we're going to be listing. We can select Exhibits here. You have a couple of different options because it's a category list, such as what do you want to display for the category, the description, the title, an image for the category, the levels, empty categories, if there are no articles, what message you want to show. They also have the option to show list layouts. You can display a select field, so you can select different categories, filter if you want table headings displayed, the date, the format, the number of hits if you want to show the author, and so forth. As before with the parameters, I recommend that trying different parameters is the best way to learn how each piece works. And then you can just click Save and Close. Next, I'd like to view the site. On the left-hand side, I can see Exhibits. When I click on it, I'll see the list of exhibits that I've put into the system, Stingray Beach and Shark Adventure. I can change the list of actual columns that are displayed here just by working with the parameters. Now let's see the difference between the category list item and then the category blog. So I go back to the administration and create another new menu item. This one will be the category blog view. So I click on the select for the type and I click on category blog. I will title this Exhibits Blog. I need to remember to choose the category, and I could click on Exhibits, and then I can just click on Save and Close. Let's see the difference between the two. I view the site, click on Home. If you remember, when we click on Exhibits, this is the list view. And if I click on Exhibits Blog, this is the blog view. The blog view has very similar parameters as the featured view that we talked about earlier. You can change the number of columns that are displayed, the number of intros, the read more, and a lot of different variables here. The blog view is great if you really want to display a paragraph from each of the items on the page. If you have more than 10 to 15 items and you want them all listed, then the category list is probably a better way to go. In this lesson, we reviewed how you can create a menu item that's of a type category list. We looked at some of the parameters for this menu type, and then we compared the category list to the category block view.